Hi everyone, I am Nutan. I am going to discuss with you this past paper. This is very important question. तो इस question को ध्यान से देखो. If you don't know the answer, please follow this. And if you know the answer, can you write this in the comment box? Okay, let's start. So here this question is about the sector. Sector means when this is the part of circle divided by two radius, right? Now, how to find out this area of sector? Area of sector means pi r square is the area of whole circle, right? Area of whole circle is pi r square, right? So, if you will divide into two parts, what will be this angle? This angle is 180. So, we can write here 180 upon 360, right? That means what? Half, right? So, in this way, this angle is deciding that what part of the circle is, right? So, therefore, we are writing this formula area of sector is equal to pi r square into theta by 360, okay? Now, come to the point. Here it is given the radius is 9.5. We can write this r is equal to 9.5 centimeter. Okay. Now angle is given. So that is theta. Theta is given 53 degree. Okay na? Now we have to show that the area of the circle is 41.7 centimeter square. Okay. So what we will write? Pi r square. At the place of r square we will write 9.5 square and multiplied by 53. So this will be 53 upon 360, right? Now if we will multiply this, what is the answer? This will be 41.74, and that you have to find out into correct one decimal place. So this is your answer, right? Centimeter square. Okay. In this question, you don't have to do anything. You have to just write down pi square into theta upon 360. Okay. Now come to the second part. What is our second part? In second part, we have the question. The area of triangle OAB is 1 upon 3. So this is our triangle OAB, right? So if I will make this triangle here, right? Outside this sector, this is a triangle, right? So in this OAB triangle, what is given? This angle is 53 degree. And the area is given. Area is given means 1 upon 3 of the sector. So we have to find out, write down area of triangle is equal to 1 upon 3 multiplied by 41.7, right? So if you calculate this answer, what you will get? You will get 13 point, right? This will be 13.91, right? So we can write 9 centimeter square. Now we have to find out, calculate OA, and here it is given OA and OB is equal. So we can write here x and this is x, right? After writing this, how will you calculate this part, right? For calculating this part, what we will use? We will use trigonometry formula. Which formula? Area, right? Area of triangle. Area of triangle is equal to half into A into B and into sin C, isn't it? Yes, sin C, where sin C is 53 degree. So what we will write? This area is given. So we will write 13.9 is equal to half into, and our x A and B both are x. So this will be x square multiplied by sin 53 degree. This is calci paper. So you can write this all on your calci. Now we can find out x is equal to root over, right? Root over, this 2 will go and multiply 13.9, right? So this will be our, write down. Okay. So here we can write 27.82. Yes. Now we have this x square. So we will write here, and this sine 53 will divide here, right? So what is the value of sine 53 degree? That will be your x. Now we have this is equal to 27.82 divided by sine 53, right? So divide it. This will give you the answer 34.83. Okay. Now if you will find out the root, it is 5.9 centimeter, right? So what is your AO? Your AO is equal to 5.9 centimeter. Okay. So if you like the process, please write it in the comment box, share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. And if you need something else, you can write in the comment box. I will solve it for you. Thank you. Thank you so much.